Today we will see how to install Loveria, the Laravel PHP dating script on shared hosting using cPanel. Once you purchase the product, you will be able to download the zip file. It contains the help guides as well as the source code for the application. To run the website, we need to upload this source code to the server. To make it simple, we will make a zip of it so we can easily upload the files on the server in a single upload. Zip is done. We will rename it. Now we will upload this file to the server. I have created a subdomain at my main domain livereworks.net. Now we need to upload the files here. So to upload a file, we will click on the upload button. Now we will go to the zip file we have recently made. File is now uploaded. It should be here. Now we will extract this file here. As we don't have any use of this folder, we will simply delete it. Please note, public folder is your main document root, so point your domain accordingly. Now we need to add a configuration to the .env file. May on your server it is not showing, as on the main system .file is treated as a hidden file. So if it is not showing to you, just go to the setting here and turn on show hidden files. So we will now open .env file to add a configuration to it. We needed a database name, database username and a database password. So we need to create the database user and assign a database to the user. Create a database for the application. For that, we will need to go to the MySQL databases. Here we will create a database for Loveria demonstration. Database has been created. We will add it to our .env file. Now we will need to create a user for it. We will generate a strong password for it. User is now created. We will add a first password here at env. Then we will add a database user to the env file. We can now save this file. Now we need to assign that user to the database. So here is the user and it's a database, and we are adding privileges to it. Now we need to go to the phpMyAdmin for the database seeding and to run a schema. Need to choose a database here and go to the SQL tab. Now we need to open the schema file we have with a package. Here it is. We will just copy it and we'll paste it here and just need to run. It would take some time. Ready, we can access our site. Here it is. Now we can log in using the admin credentials. You will find the admin credentials in the crate.txt file came up with a package. Now you are just logged in using the admin credentials. You can access the admin panel from this link. You need to verify your license, which you get from the cPanel. You need to add it here, your email, your cPanel username and the purchase code to verify it. Thank you.